Well, 10-year Treasury futures spend the day in a very tight range, this pre-non-farm payroll drift, as it were, but also consolidating a lot of offsetting information today. You have to start with the early session, the Eurozone retail sales from Eurozone, also German factory orders beat expectations. That definitely weighed on the Bund, got yields a little bit higher. That was offset quite dramatically as the gilt in the UK hit 1 week lows. Really, a Bank of England statement from Bailey talking about no unwinding of their stimulus, etc. And it really did offset. So we came in this morning with 10-year treasuries just drifting, not knowing where to go. And to make matters a little bit more complicated, today's data in the US was also offsetting. We had really strong initial claims down to 13.5-month low. Continuing claims did tick a little bit higher, but overall a really sturdy read from the jobs market. Unit labor cost went up, exceeding expectation. Productivity rebounded, and it rebounded quite a bit, actually plus 5.4% versus last month being negative at 3.8. That was constructive information, but also stale information. Also, 10-year break-even inflation expectations hit fresh 8-year highs today at 2.492%. So a lot of information combined with the fact that we are in this classic pre-non-farm payroll drift, which is tomorrow. Looking at CME Group CVOL, if you look at the whole vol curve in June, on a 1 week basis, volatility is trading at about the 90th percentile. When judged on a 1 month basis, it's a 25th percentile. So clearly it's been a volatile 1 week versus 1 month with volatility. Important to note that up variance, the call wing is down ever so slightly. The down variance is unchanged, so that would imply that skew is down ever so slightly. At the money, vols right now in June are definitely unchanged. When it comes to volume, in June, 133 half call, 131.70 put. Looks like a strangle went up several thousand times there. Beyond that, the 132 strike and surrounding that area in June all have above average volume over a 10-day rolling cycle.